Today, I started my journey to becoming an LLM engineer. I watched Ed Donner's course about becoming an LLM engineer in 8 weeks. And instead of just watching, I decided to actually set things up and get my hands dirty. Today's focus was installing Ollama, which is an open source tool that lets you run large language models locally on your own machine. But first, let's step back. Large language models are massive neural networks trained on petabytes of text. They're predicting the next token in a sequence, calculating probabilities at lightning speed. Usually, running these raw models requires complex Python environments, manual weight management, and massive GPUs. Ollama acts as a bridge, bundling the model weights and runtime into a sleek, easy-to-use package. I installed Ollama and explored its GitHub repository. This is crucial because running models locally helps you understand the bare metal mechanics without relying on cloud APIs. There's also the privacy factor. When I run Llama 3 or Mistral on my machine, no data leaves my network. It's perfect for experimenting with sensitive data or just learning without a meter running. Seeing an LLM run locally for the first time was honestly exciting because it makes AI feel more real and less like a black box API. Today wasn't about building anything fancy. It was about setting up the foundation. Tomorrow, I plan to explore different models inside Ollama. This is day 1 of my LLM engineer learning journey. Let's see how far this goes.